Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? To my old and new subscribers, you guys are welcome. I really appreciate you all for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, you are not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Give me thumbs up and also comment at the comment section below. So today I'm going to be doing a twist out. I'm using the Giovanni hair care product today for my twist out, using the leave-in conditioner, the gel and the mousse. So those are the products that I'm going to use. The leave-in is lightweight, while the gel is really very light. It's not think like eco stylish gel. If you are the type of person that don't like light gel, this Giovanni gel is not for you because it's very light. You can see it's so light. So just going to apply everything, the mousse, the leave-in, the tangle my hair and twist just like so, guys. You can see the coils are already pumping. I know this is going to be a great twist out with all those good products with just natural ingredients. There's no harsh ingredients in this product. This is all natural, guys, and it's also affordable. Don't mind my voice. My voice is somehow, my voice is not clear yet, so this just, so I'm just going to repeat the same step that I did the first one. Just apply the leave-in, the gel and the mousse, all that stuff in my hair. So guys, this is the next day. My hair is dry now. It's time for me to unravel my twist to see how my hair is looking like. I hope this came out very well. So let's see, let's find out. So I'm just going to take down my twist and see what is going on. What is going on? So you are gone this far, you are not yet subscribed, please. Please don't forget to subscribe now. Please subscribe and click that bell beside this so that anytime I post a new video, you will not miss out, guys. So that bell is going to give you the notification so that you will not miss out of any of my new video, guys. Any of my crochet, DIY crochet, any of my twist out, any of my wash day, any of my gossip news, anything that I post on my video so that you will not miss, anything that I post on my channel, sorry, so that you will not miss out, okay? Just click that bell, put it in all, the one that say all, the first one that say all, so that you will get all my notification. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing. You are the best. I love you so much. I love you. Thank you for subscribing. So I'm just trying to unravel my hair, guys. You can see those white stuff that you are seeing on my hair is the result of the root lifter that I used. I'm not supposed to use that root lifter. I'm supposed to use it to dry my hair, but I use it. That is why you are seeing that white stuff on my hair. But this product is nice. The gel, everything, my twisters really came out so beautiful and defined. So just because of that white stuff that you are seeing, so my hair is okay. Without that, my hair is fine. I really love the result. My hair is soft, like really soft and moisturized, guys. It's really nice. The coils, everything feels so good. So I'm just going to try to lay down my hair, just create little style in the front of my hair. So this is it, guys. If you love this video, give me thumbs up. Try this product. They are nice. If you want to use it, don't be like me. Don't use the root lifter for the volume. I wanted to get much volume, so that's why I used the root lifter. No, I didn't know that I'm not supposed to use it with this because it's going to cause a lot of flick. As you can see, there's too much flick on my hair. So that is it. I learned from this today. Maybe tomorrow I will not make the same mistake. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate this. The back of my, you can see all those flick. Can you see those flick? Next time I'm not going to use it with it. I'm not going to use that root lifter with it at all. I'm not going to use it. Just mess up everything. This beautiful hair, this most defined coil that I ever have, this just mess up everything for me. So next time I'm not going to use it with it. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. You can see the volume, the coils is pumping, everything is looking nice. Everything is looking nice, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. So I will see you all in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell beside it, okay? Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.